So Michael's here. So here is where I'm going to show you guys how you can format your print book for ebook. So first thing I recommend is taking your print book manuscript, copy and pasting it into a blank Word document. That way you can have both of them separated. Now I'm not going to do the whole book because we would be here for a very long time. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do the front matter and the prologue to my book. So after we have all of that copy and pasted into its own blank document, we're going to select all, and we're going to clear the formatting. Clear all of the formatting. And there we go. So now, if you haven't done it already, you're going to go into your copyright page and add your new ISBN number for your ebook. Next, you're going to go to the title. You're going to set the title, the copyright page, and the dedication, and all other front matter to heading 1. Now, you're going to go into your chapter. Did I get my dedication? Oh, nope. We'll do that there. Now, we're going to go into our chapter titles, and that is going to be set to heading 2. Next, our subtitles, which is my character's point of view, we're going to set that to heading 3. We're going to remove all headers and footers. This one really kills me, guys. But this is the ebook. I have it saved in the other. Okay. And then we're going to go in, sorry about that. Then we're going to go in here and we have to remove all of our table of contents. Then we're going to have to go into the text and set this to, get it here. And then we're going to have to set all of that, and it already is, to the left justification. And when all of that's all done and you have it completed to how you need, say like this is a little too big, I think I'm going to calm down the size. Instead of 18, I like to be on 1 page, and it doesn't have to be that big. To 11. So you just get it to how you fix it to how you want it to look. And after you do all that, then you will convert it to an EPUB file. And that's basically it. That's how you format your book for ebook. Thanks, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
What are you waiting for?